Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Alice Teresa Los Pavana, and today I'm going to share with you the description of my daily routine. Okay, let's start. Um, okay. I get up at 7:30 a.m. Okay. I look to my cell phone and answer my cell phone. Um, 7:35. I make my bed. Um, I go in the bathroom. I I brush my teeth and face. Okay. 7:45 a.m. I get up to see the day, then I see up to today. I might have breakfast. 8 a.m. I do my homework. Okay, my homework. Mm, at night, 9 a.m. I take a shower. Take a shower. Uh, I night 3 a.m. I do my I go over the university activities and that I have. Okay. Um, 11 p.m. I have lunch. And sometimes from 1 to 3 p.m. I take a nap. I am I get up, continue with my homework tax university. 15:30. Sometimes with my dog go around the park. Okay. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. I get home and have to dinner pizza. That's the pizza. Pizza. Okay. 7:30 at 18. I take a shower and I brush my teeth and I brush. So sorry, and put I the light. And sometimes take up the garbage. And mm, and if the day is no enjoy for me to do only my homework, I put off it for another. Finish. Bye.